Part 2 of the world's biggest truck stop. Clothes, fast food eateries, coffee, Orange, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Pizza Hut. All the commercial type fast foods. There's the Iowa 80 kitchen over there. Really nice food. You know, you can get whatever you want, steaks, all that sort of thing. Toys to take home to the grandkids. Full complement of clothes, boots, shoes, hats. You know, you want to dress up like John Wayne, this is the place you come to. This is the restaurant, you've got a buffet there, a nice fireplace. Really well appointed, as good as any restaurant you get in town. Yeah, it's just amazing. You know, like you can buy guitars here, electric guitars, anything you want. You know, boots, belts, shirts, jackets, coats. You know, just like I said, absolutely anything you want. Sneakers, underwear, gifts. You want to buy a samurai sword, you want to buy brass knuckles, flip knives, you name it, they got it. You know, you never ever know when you need a set of knuckle dusters with a knife attached to it and you left home without it, so you need one from the truck stop. Yeah, not every gas station in the world. Oh, you can buy alcohol here. You can buy DVDs. Like I said, you know, you're in the middle of nowhere and you get the yearning to learn how to play guitar. There you go. There's guitars, there's television sets, every electronic thing you can think of, refrigerators, ATM machines, Oakley sunglasses. I said, there's not much you can't get. Oopsie, there's not much you can't get in a truck stop in America. So, like I keep saying, take care, be groovy out there.